let's start with factors. So what are factors? Let's do an example. 12. So factors of 12 are whole numbers that can divide 12 and leave no remainder. So we have this 1 times 12. We also have 2 times 6, yes. 3 times 4. And then we have 4 times 3. But after that, we realize that if it starts appearing like this, we can just take all these, which is just going to go backwards like that. So we have it. Factors of 12. Factors of 12. They are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Alright, let's go on to, let's go on to common factors. What are common factors? For example, we have 18. So we have 1 times 18, 2 times 9, 3 times 6, 4 times, nope, nothing, 5 times nothing, and then we have 6 times 3. So we're going back here like that. So factors of 18, we have 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18. Great. So what are the common factors? Common factors of 12 and 18. So let's see. So we have 1. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, nope, 5, nope, 6, yes. So we have these numbers and they are common factors. 1, 2, 3, and 6. So these numbers are the common factors of 12 and 18. Now let's go on to multiples. What are multiples? Multiples are a whole number multiplying another whole number. So usually they will ask you what are the first 5 multiples of 3. So first 5 multiples of 3. So we have them 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. So why do they always ask this? Because it can go on for infinity. It's never ending. So they will ask first 5, first 3, first 10, things like that. Let's just go on a bit more. Let's say 8. So 15, 18, 21, and 24. All right. There we go. Let's do maybe first 5 multiples of, let's say, 6, which was 6, 12, 18, 24, and 30. All right, so we have 2 numbers. Okay, so I think you know what's coming. What are the common multiples of 3 and 6? So let's take a look. We have 6, and then we have 12 here, and 18, and then 24. So these are the common multiples: 6, 12, 18, 24. So these are the first four common multiples of 3 and 6, because 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try a quick quiz. You can do it together in your exercise book. First up, we have list the factors of 16. So first things we can do, we can list it: 1 times 16, 2 times 8, 3, nope, 4 times 4, 5, no, 6, no, 7, no, 8. So we're back to 8. So factors of 16 are 1, 2, 4, 8, and 16. Now let's list the first 5 multiples of 7. Now we have 7, 14, 21, 28, and 35. Did you get that? In this video, we did a quick recap on vectors and multiples. In the next video, we will be doing prime numbers, prime factorization, and index notation. Do like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments below.